Now check this car out, guys. This is a 2022 71 registration, the new engine, D300 Vogue in Byron Blue with only 11,000 miles on and full Land Rover Service History. Most recently serviced about 11-12 days ago. The car wants nothing. It's in a brilliant condition, beautiful colour combination and cracking specification. But check this out. This car with a live pricing is only 53,990. Yes, only 53,990. We were selling the same cars just like this for nearly 85, 90,000 pounds only 12 months ago. Somebody's going to get a car that's like new with 11,000 miles on, that looks superb, stylish, classic looking Range Rover, but not a lot of money, under manufacturer's warranty till 2025. And it's got 11,000 miles on. And remember, it's a new engine. One more little thing for you. I have found out recently, a lot of my clients who are buying Range Rovers from me, they are getting better insurance quotes. So we see loads of comments and people do make natural comments about, oh, you can't get them insured and stuff. That was the problem, but that is getting better. And I'm seeing it first-handed here at Ackland Car Centre. Customers are telling us that there is companies out there that are quoting a lot less than what they were only 8 weeks ago. So that's a nice little positive bit of news for us. We could all do a bit of that. Going back to the car, Byron Blue, very nice light metallic blue. You've then got this facelifted version of the LED daytime running lights and the full LED headlights. Headlight washers, front rear parking sensors, a nice big front end. The Range Rover Vogue, like this particular one, is a brilliant off-road vehicle, but absolutely awesome on the road. It's comfortable, it's smooth. What makes this car even smoother is the 20-inch alloy wheels. Yes, this isn't the one that's black exterior, black interior, and then 25-inch black wheels. This is quite the opposite. This is Byron Blue with the ivory interior, classic style 20-inch wheels, multi-spoke, which has that lovely look to it. If that's what you're into, somebody's going to look at this video and go, you know what, that's me. It's a gentleman's type of car, or gentle lady. You've then got a silver Atlas down the side, fixed side steps, double glazed windows with sun protection glass, and that does make a difference for sound deafening. The full tinted sliding panoramic roof, comfort access, but then check this interior out. 11,000 miles, and that, you can see that all the way through, starting right here at the door cards. You've got this awesome, very detailed wood on the interior inlays, the ivory leather with extended leather on the top half, as well as the door card here. But then check this out, it's got a very nice dark, almost chocolate brown sort of inlays on the plastic, on the top dash leather, down the bottom of the doors here. And then the steering wheel is also in that same colour. You've got the dual zone climate control, the touch ceramic media screen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, Bluetooth. You've got 2 keys, twin cup holders. But look at these seats. With 11,000 miles on, they are immaculate. Perforated, nice, comfortable, large seats. So when you get in, you've got this beautiful armchair sort of feeling position, sat nice and high up, very airy. You and the driver are not shoulder to shoulder. The centre armrest share is here, and this one then has as an additional extra the refrigerator, heated steering wheel, front and rear heated windscreen. There's a twin cup holders, and if you slide this compartment forward, you've got more cubbyhole space down there with a USB hidden there, and that's enough space to put an iPad in there. Meridian sound system. On the door cards, you have all the adjustments for the seats, so that's the base, the legs, the back, headrest, you can go up and down, everything. And then you have the memory set as well. And there's 3 settings to that, so if there's 3 different passengers, they can get it absolutely perfect every single time. So this is the front, and I think it's absolutely lovely. Now in the back, same treatment. The rear passengers get third zone climate control. Just over here, USCs, lots of leather and pockets, centre armrest with twin cup holders. These rear seats also do recline ever so slightly. Nice place. It smells and feels like a new car. I just can't believe it's 53,990. And the colour's fabulous, the spec's brilliant. And remember, it's got that new engine, the D300, which is a 300 brake horsepower, slightly quieter, slightly better on the miles per gallon. You have got that signature split tailgate with a massive boot space, and that dark chocolate brown continues on the rear parcel shelf, and also the carpets in the back. And it works well with the ivory, it works well with the Byron Blue. Every single car is different, and this one just works together very, very well. Now don't get me wrong, like I said at the start of the video, sometimes the cars do come with black wheels on and black styling pack. This one, it's not needed because of the colour scheme on it. It works. It works fantastically well. Driver's seat, check this out. I know I've said this about 15 times now, but because it has done 11,000 miles, careful miles, the base of the driver's seat is perfect. Around here, where people get in and out with the belt catches, is also in a brilliant condition. Remember, it is a used car, so there will always be the odd stone chip. There will be a little bit of defect somewhere, so it's not flawless, but trust me, it's a very, very good example. You put this up against another 9 other Vogues like this, it's going to come in the top 2 without a shadow of a doubt. You've got the full digital dashboard just there, which you can configure. So at the minute you have the twin dials, but if you go on the layout version, you can have it so it's a single dial, like this, or you can have it so it's a full map, or you can have it so the media's on there. You can pick and choose what you want there. Paddle shift, automatic headlights, automatic window wipers. Put it into reverse and the reversing camera comes on in high definition and you can see exactly what's behind you. The climate 4x4 settings, over here you have comfort program. You can pick and choose again what you want. Air suspension down below. Again, sat nice and high up. And remember, with a tilt and sliding panoramic roof, it lets lots of light in. It feels nice and airy. You can close it up. And there's also another button, which means the electric blind will cover the full thing if you want that nice, darker, sporty feeling. You pick and choose. But for me, this is a classy looking Range Rover for $53,990, not to be missed. Every so often, I get one with full service history, very little miles on it, and in a special colour combination, and again with the live pricing, it's perfect. My name's Joe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye now.